Oh, we've missed all of you, and Glenn is my photographer. He is right in front of me here. And we're going to make something that you can make for moms and dads to take to work, as well as your kids can make to eat during the day for a snack that's healthy and sweet enough tasting that you're all going to love it. It does say if you have nuts allergies, this is not the recipe for you, because it does start with peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy. This is a recipe that your kids can make because it's really easy and it's no bake. So you put 1.25 cups of peanut butter, 2 cups of rolled oats, 3/4 cup of honey. You do need the honey. It's really sweet, but it kind of holds it together because you are making a snack bar, which is healthier and a lot cheaper and even better than many you can buy. Okay, and then you can add kind of whatever you want. It calls for mini chocolate chips. The big ones don't work as well, but you can use them. Dried fruit, you can use any kind of dried fruit you want. I'm using raisins. You can use cranberries, and I cut them up. I just with scissors, and while they're in a cut them up because I don't like them too big, and neither do usually kids. If you want to make it healthier, you could add some pumpkin seeds, depending on if you like that, or some nuts. But you can't put in the chocolate chips. I have a whole pan made with chocolate chips, so this one's not going to have them. And then you just have to mix this up. Now, is it easy to mix up? No, not really, but kids can have a great time. I suggest that instead of doing what I'm doing, you use a wooden spoon. It works much better. And you're just going to work it till it's mixed up really well. It'll be difficult because it is a snack bar. And then when it's all mixed up, which your kids can work at it, wash their hands. They can do that with a little bit more like that with their hands if you want. Make sure they're well washed. And then you just press it into a 13x9 pan. Now that's easy enough, a 13x9 pan. And what you'll get, you can see it's already getting very thick. And then what you'll get is bars. You stick it in the refrigerator, bars that you can cut into bars like this for your kids to eat, which are full of protein, a lot of fiber, whole grain, just about everything you'd want. And what I like, moms and dads that are going to work, is I wrap a piece about this big in cellophane or foil. I take it to work. If you do, they will get soft outside of the refrigerator, but you can cut this all in bars and freeze it and take one out every day. Hey, it'll be good for everyone. And if they're teenagers, give them the recipe and have them make it themselves. Have a great week.